Unique and Ashley, I believe. Okay, I'm going to look at your work together. Unique, I've said this to you a couple times in email, but you need to go back into the milestones and combine your files. Please do that and let me know when you've done it. All right. Okay, so Ashley, I'm going to talk about yours. I really love it. I think you've got a great design style. I love that you added a textured background. I love what you've done to adjust the photo, and the colors work really well. I think the font choices are contemporary. I like how you made the subheads really easy to understand. I mean, people don't read these whole things, right? They just zip through it to try to get to what they want. So that's perfect. All right. Yeah, and I like that you made another sort of subhead here. You made like a chapter and then a subhead that's really nice. You might want to incorporate a tiny bit of orange in here just to lighten up the heaviness of the all caps and black. Otherwise, typography-wise, you want to edit out hyphens and widows if you have any. So you know what a hyphen is, and a widow is one word on a line. And you can edit those out by adding more to the sentence or just hitting return on your keyboard. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful work. Love this. I'm a old school designer when people used to use a lot of texture like that, so that really appeals to me. I really like it. Okay, Unique, you've come a long way, definitely, and I love seeing how you've made your photos too. They look really good. Nice and bright. They work well with this dark green. Your logo pops off the page. I like that you're not using some fuzzy drop shadow. It's definitely a more contemporary look what you've done here. So you might want to take a page out of Ashley's book and do a bold with the chapter heads. And something's going on with your photos here. If you do have images, I think that's a great idea. It's good to mix up the type. But otherwise, edit out hyphens, widows, and break up huge blocks of type. Just make it easier on the eyes. If you need to add another few pages to loosen it up, go ahead. Anyway, you're both very interesting designers. I like the way you think. Let me know if you have any questions.